It's a chilly day outside and you want to cook a dish that is warm and comforting in your own kitchen. Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe that's warm and comforting with oven-cooked chili. So let's get started. Let's prepare the aromatics. Time to add the ground beef. Let's build the dish. Salt and pepper makes everything taste better. Set your timer for 2 hours. And as always, ovens do vary. Chili or chili con carne is a spicy stew that originated in the American Southwest, particularly Texas, around the 18th to 19th centuries, though its roots trace back to the indigenous use of chili peppers in Mexico thousands of years earlier. Today, chili is popular worldwide. Chili looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get a portion of this oven-cooked chili into a bowl. Finish with some shredded cheddar cheese. And a dollop of sour cream. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's dive in. Wow, this chili is slow cooked in the oven to perfection, creating a rich, thick, and savory dish that's perfect for family dinners, meal prep, and cozy nights in. You and your guests will absolutely love it. Please leave a comment or question below. And the complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen It's your turn. You got this. This oven-cooked chili is perfect for a chilly day. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.